Good morning. This is our engineering department here at Farris Fab. One of their jobs, of which there are many, is when the orders come in for parts, they will set them up for our M1 system, which is our system that runs production through the shop floor. They will actually draw the part first, where it can be cut on the laser, run through press brake, whatever it takes. We are now in our customer relations. This is our lead customer relations. The bulk of his job is dealing with customers and also bringing in potential and new customers. This is the office of our time study guru. Part of his job is also engineering, setting up parts. But the bulk of his job and time we like to use to set rates for parts on the floor. Our estimating office. When a customer has a part that they want us to manufacture for them, they'll send in a quote. That quote usually consists of how many parts they want, how many they're going to use in a year's time, and a print of the part. The print is then taken by these ladies and gentlemen and broken down into its subcomponents, figured out what it takes to laser cut it, what it takes to form it, and set a fixed rate so that we know that we're making profit on the parts. We are now in our HR and accounting department. If you were looking for a job in this department, there again, you would need people skills and a lot of math skills. We're now in the office of the quality director here at Farris Fab and Machine. His job is to oversee all of the quality of all of the parts that go through the shop and out to the customers to make sure that we're making what the customer wants. We are in the office of the COO of the company.
And CFO.
And CFO. Man with many hats. His job is basically to ensure the company's stability and make sure that we all still have a job come tomorrow.
A company's only as good as its people, and we have put together the best group of people that I can imagine. I wouldn't want to change the folks that we have working for us. And that's a team effort, and it's my job to make sure that that team stays together and does well. And I think everybody should be looking for that kind of an organization when they're looking for a job.
A robotic welder works much more efficiently than a manual welder. The robot is going to put its weld in the same place every time because it's programmed in to do that. These type jobs you could come into right out of high school. We do training here. It's basically only learning how to clamp the parts in place and how to set up the machine so that it'll weld where you want it to weld.